Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use form data with XML HTTP request. So here I will need index.html file to show you. So inside the index.html file I will need one input field, and the type of the input field will be text, and also I'm defining the ID as text. Now I will need a button, and for the button on click event will be there, and for the on click event I will call the function send, so that whenever the user will click on that button, the send function will be called. Now inside the script tag I will define the function. So write function send, and inside the function at first what I will do is I will just create a variable and store the value of that input field here. So write document.get element by id, and the id is text for that particular input field, and dot value to get the value. Okay, now create a variable of form data, or you can say create a object of form data. So write const form data equals to new form data. Now just append or construct some names here. So write form data dot append, and the first parameter will be name and the second parameter will be value. So here the value is name, so I'm just passing the second parameter as name. Alright, here I will need another file to work on, so I'm creating a file named syntax.php. So as you are working with PHP, make sure that you have already started your server. So what I'm doing here, I'm just printing out whatever the request is coming. So every post request will be printed here. So after formdata.append, I'm just creating another object of XML HTTP request. So write const xhr for XML HTTP request equals to new XML HTTP request, and then just call the open method, and it will create it will just actually open the server and mention the request. So I'm using post request here, and the request page is sendtext.php, so I'm giving it, and the third parameter will be true. Now write xhr.send and pass the form data as a parameter. Alright, so okay, now save it and go to your browser, refresh the page, and here is your input field and button. But before that, just open inspect tool or developer tools and go to network tab. Now write something here like new text, click on send, and you can see that the sendtext.php file will be popped up here in the network section. Just click on that, and inside the response tab you can see the name as the new text. So thank you for watching. Please click on the subscribe and like button if you like this video.